Prayer.
Yeah. Let's
Then,
go.
press your toe. Just press.
Press.
Then next, you will stretch it slowly.
You'll have your own pizza, anak. Gwen. No worries.
Yes.
Wow, pwede na pala si Kuya. Gavin.
It's coordinated.
You have to maintain the circle shape. So, yeah. Then next, you will form your head like this. Form your head like this. Yeah. Then we will show you. I'll show you first. So your toe can. Alright? Can you do it? Form your hand, and I will put the toe. Yeah, form your hand first. Show what? Show. Oh,
Oh, no. I cannot. I'm not professional.
one more try.
I can. I'm not professional at catching.
Yeah. Show. Oh,
Why did you?
you have to swing like that.
Okay.
Twist lang a little.
No. Cannot let go of it.
Cute.
Like this. Okay, let's proceed to the toppings na lang.
Why? It's straight.
Take it for hand.
So you're gonna make our pizza. That's Alvin's pizza. And Gwen's gonna make the pepperoni.
Yes.
Just spread
The
this.
one that I like.
Just leave one each.
Okay. It's like a cross.
Yeah, the rest. Just spread it.
Go, Gavin.
Hey, I think it cuts. Yeah, it cuts. Ah! My finger.
Go,
Can I wash
Gavin.
again?
Ooh, wow.
I thought it was gonna. It reminds me when I was cooking pasta.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Spread it.
I would really like
Then,
to tell
Okay.
you if you're gonna tell me if you want me to put pineapple. It's automatically no. Because
That's our pizza
I want
naman.
there's mozzarella cheese and parmesan cheese.
Okay.
You want to help your brother?
cheese.
Huh?
Meron siyang pepperoni.
Kami pepperoni siya. Yung gagawin dito niya.
Gagawin din niya. You want to start na, Gwen?
Not yet.
You can do it na rin, Gwen, if you like. Go,
Like on
Kuya.
sprinkles sauce.
Yeah, we like it with a lot of cheese.
Yeah, even though cheese technically is dangerous for. Even though cheese is dangerous. From milk.
You want to help Kuya?
Yeah.
Gwen?
Wait, what sauce is that? Yes.
Pesto, the one that Lola likes.
Yo, this is gonna be a mochi pizza. You want everything?
Yeah, of
Put
course.
everything.
Okay.
Put everything.
Most of it is going in the middle for some reason.
It's Gavin's pizza pala. Not Alvin's pizza.
Table 1 po
Wait,
kayo.
add na sa pizza.
Anong table na?
23.
23. Wow, tapos na. Tapos
Then the
na si
bacon.
Chef.
Don't press it.
Don't press it daw, anak. Don't press it.
Kasi sa ano.
He likes to press stuff.
Don't press.
To make it look sort of like you can't stop.
Oh. Yeah, you make sure na lang every spot has bacon
Every
na.
bit of bacon will be what the
Looks like a different meat.
That's fat yan. Yeah.
Hey, it's not going on pizza.
It's okay naman. It's okay. Yeah.
Guys, not going on
Yeah.
pizza.
Sige, spread.
That fat is not going
It's
on
okay yan. Okay lang yan.
That's the reason why I made the pizza you look so fat. Because there's fat in it.
Spread mo, anak. Put more, put
There we go. Make it like this.
Okay.
Was feeling weird.
I feel a little weird.
Kaya mo naman lagyan ito.
Sige, put na rin. Put na.
He doesn't want to go.
Taba. Loko tong batang to.
It's not
Ayan na.
Ano, kuya,
Yan na, oh, look,
the
oh.
cheese.
Yung cheese, oh, sayang, kuya, oh. Put mo pa, oh.
Lagay mo pa.
Yun.
Yummy.
Slide it in like that.
Yummy chest chips.
Like sprinkle.
Oh, that's
Or make it brown.
Yan na, he's gonna put it there in the oven.
because I need to get my clean hands dirty.
Yun na. Later, it's gonna get cooked.
We have to wait.
Yan na.
That does not belong on pizza.
No, that's yummy on pizza. Kala mo lang
Other
na.
flavor.
Other flavors kasi. Hindi ka
The
lang sanay.
Italians will be.
Puro pepperoni ka lang.
Disrespectful.
Go back.
Here's a fact. The Italians think pineapple on pizza is disrespectful to them.
Kulit.
When?
The
Ano to?
Italians hate it, in fact.
Eh, so how was the experience, kuya?
No, that was actually fire. That was actually fire.